In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put buttons side by side in Mailchimp. This straightforward tutorial will guide you through each step to make your email campaigns look more appealing and organized. Let's dive in and you'll see how easy it can be to enhance your Mailchimp design. Starting off, the first thing you need to do is head over to Mailchimp's website and log into your account. Make sure that you have your login credentials handy, as you will need them to access your account dashboard. Once logged in, navigate to the Campaigns tab located in the main menu. This is where you can see all your ongoing and past campaigns. Find the campaign you wish to edit. If you don't have an active campaign yet, this could be a great time to set one up and follow along. Now, after selecting your campaign, it's time to get creative. Click on Edit Design to enter the design editor. This is where you'll have the flexibility to tweak the appearance of your email. Here you can add and modify various elements to fit your style. Inside this editor, the next step is crucial for the layout. Look for the 2-column layout option or any available multi-column layout and drag it onto your email design area. This will divide your email section into 2 separate columns, which is precisely what we need to place buttons side by side. Next, drag a button block and drop it into each of the 2 columns you've just created. You should now see 2 separate buttons sitting side by side in your email design. At this point, it's all about customization and making these buttons work for you. Click on each button to edit the text that appears on them. You can tailor the text to say anything from "learn more" to "subscribe now," depending on the action you want your readers to take. Don't forget to include the URLs that the buttons should link to. This is essential so that when someone clicks on your button, they are redirected to the correct web page. After setting the URLs, you'll have the chance to stylize each button to match your brand or theme. Colors, fonts, and sizes can all be personalized, offering you a chance to maintain your brand consistency. Finally, you might want to adjust the column widths to make sure everything is aligned perfectly. You can do this by dragging the divider that separates the 2 columns. This allows you to control how much space each button takes up, ensuring they line up just how you like them. And there you have it, your buttons are now sitting beautifully side by side, ready to catch the eye of your readers. Experiment with different styles and placements to see what works best for your audience. Thank you for joining me in this Mailchimp tutorial, and I hope to see you putting this into practice in your next email campaign.